I've been using Pega, Servicenow, and Jira. These are three big players in business, process, and project management. Today, I'm going to help you figure out which one's best for your needs. Let's break it down. First up, we have Pega. It's a powerhouse for business process management, built for complex workflows. Pega shines with its AI-driven automation and rule-based system, perfect for industries like finance or healthcare needing deep customization. It's highly adaptable but can feel heavy for simpler tasks. Next, we have ServiceNow. Originally an IT service management tool, it's now a full enterprise platform. It's cloud-based, user-friendly, and excels at automating workflows across departments like IT, HR, and customer service. Think fast deployment and broad integration. Finally, we have Jira from Atlassian. It started as a bug tracking tool but evolved into a versatile project management solution. It's a favorite for agile teams, especially in software development with seamless tracking and collaboration features. It's lightweight and affordable. So, how did these stack up? Well, Pega is your go-to for intricate custom BPM. Think big enterprises with complex needs. ServiceNow is the all-rounder, ideal for streamlining IT and business workflows with quick setup. But Jira wins for agile project management, especially if you're in dev or want something simple and cost-effective. Pega's steep learning curve and cost might make it less agile than ServiceNow's broad reach or Jira's flexibility. Check out this chart for a quick look. That's it, guys. Pega for complexity, ServiceNow for versatility, and Jira for agility. Which fits your team? Let us know below, and thanks for watching.